तल्लू खेला तल्लू Beautiful, isn't it? Wow! Just look at this. Absolutely breathtaking. I could not stop myself from capturing this moment. It's like one of those scenes, that just tugs at your heart, filling it with warmth and wonder. The sheer beauty of this place, panoramic views, wrapped in the embrace of Mother Nature. Kids playing cricket with carefree laughter, charming houses along the road, and see water seeing beautifully. What should I say? Beautified by the golden mustard flowers, and you can see the Tista Bridge, the mighty Tista River flowing below of that bridge gracefully. You know what? If this sight doesn't bring a smile to your face, I wonder what will. Even the divine presence itself might struggle to make you feel this kind of joy. So friends, take a moment, soak it all in, and tell me, can you guess where this magical place is? Let me know. You can type your answer in the comment box. Thank you.